writing the solution or just buying into the solution more so than writing it, like living the solution, and particularly launching a Tulsa real estate fund as a solution for our economic exploitation, as Malcolm put it, was I had already done financial literacy and educated people. But I know that's not enough. I could have took the easy education route. I'm a master teacher and just taught people, did it for free and or got paid for it like the financial literacy experts in the world, and just made millions and be like, yo, I'm the biggest educator. I'm giving everybody information. My job's done. But I know I wasn't full to my capacity. And so I found myself being a pocket watcher by blaming everybody else for not doing what I thought, like as if I'm God, their job. Jay-Z, why aren't you doing more? You have a bigger platform. LeBron, Jeezy, Diddy, like why aren't y'all saving us? That's the wrong perspective when you gotta stop saying why aren't they doing it. With that same energy and breath, you could ask yourself, why aren't you doing it?